Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add green screen clip in your Capcut account. So to do this, you have to go and open up your Capcut application, log into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So go to the edit section and click on new project. So here you can see at the top, I have the green screen video or the clip. Now first thing, I want to go ahead and add the video along with this. So let me go with this one. So next thing I want to do is click on add. Once I've added the video, now you need to go ahead and press on overlay. Click on add overlay and go ahead and add the green screen clip. Click on add once more time. As you can see that the green screen clip has been added. Now you could go ahead and adjust it to anywhere you want. And I want to go ahead and add it right over here. So once I've already added this, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add it perfectly. I want to go ahead and select the green screen clip that I've just added. So next thing what I want to do is I want to go ahead and adjust this. So I'm going to go ahead and press the green screen clip and I'm going to go ahead and click on remove background. So you can see there's this lot of options. So I'm going to go with the chroma key. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it somewhere here, let's see. And you could go with the opacity. You could go ahead and adjust this, the shadow and all that. So likewise you could go ahead and explore that, and if you can see this is how you could go ahead and add green screen clip to your Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.